Hey y'all, waiting on MBYR31 for his 49th. Listen at me, I ain't even drank none yet. His Friday night 40s. I'm drinking to you, brother. Sorry I got mixed up, but it's a name. But I'm drinking a 40 for you, waiting on your video to come out while I'm sitting here fishing. Calvin too. Captain Jerk, and all y'all fellows, Steve, everybody on here. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all some fish hopefully while I'm sitting here. Just got off work and taking me a drink. Later. Hey, Carolina Chris. This answer your question? I'm fishing with Twizzlers and chicken gizzards. And the Twizzlers is getting more hits than the doggone chicken gizzards. But I ain't been able to land one with the Twizzlers yet. We're gonna see. But I just thought I'd give you a shout out. You just hit me up, and asked me if I was doing any fishing. Here you go. See if I can get some live action. It's hitting it. Just waiting for it to take off with it. I'm gonna try to catch him. Got him. Missed him. Doggone it. Well, had a few hits, misses. Still ain't brought one in yet. That's how it goes sometimes. But I still drink to that. I'll be back. Well, I couldn't catch them tonight, even though they about jerked my pole in the water. So I'm gonna sign out. Give y'all this Middle Georgia sunset view. How y'all like that? Ain't that pretty? Let me zoom in. Just beautiful. But I'll be back at it tomorrow. Y'all have a good night. And see, I can't do it like him. I'm still drinking on that same one, but I gotta call tonight. Gotta go to work tomorrow. Y'all have a safe Friday, a safe Saturday, a safe weekend. Y'all come back to me.